This morning, the radar is showing a lot of false return in the southern parts of Miami-Dade County, but dry elsewhere until you get to the Florida Panhandle. This is the weak cold front that's going to arrive here late tonight into early Saturday. Good news is for that morning commute, dry. We look at the rainfall needs, and boy, we're starting to add up here. Almost 3 inches officially in Naples behind year to date, 3.38 in Fort Myers. That's how much we need to catch up. And today, every county in Southwest Florida now at moderate on the fire danger index. Charlotte was the last one to remain at low yesterday. Hendry and Collier County still have burn bans in place due to the dry weather. Sarasota, that's a burn ban that lasts 365 days a year. They always have a burn ban there for yard debris. As far as our temperatures, some of the coolest we've seen here in weeks. We are only 3 degrees off our average at Page Field. We're sitting at 62, and usually we get that coolest reading right there at 7 o'clock. So we're getting back to normal or closer to it. And with the drier air behind the weak cold front that passed through about 36 hours ago, you can see a little fog developing along State Road 29, but we're clear along the coast. Winds are light here this morning. They will pick up 10 to 15 miles per hour later on today. Nice little breeze like we saw yesterday afternoon. We're forecasting a high of 85. That's a little cooler than yesterday. We managed to climb up to 87, and you can see your sunset time 6:34. That reading of 85 is right there in between our average and our record. Notice the average has bumped up today as we continue to get warmer and warmer as we get deeper in our dry season and closer to spring. As far as the temperatures across the southeast, still very warm here across the Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. That front hasn't moved much, but it's finally going to get a kick to the south here over the weekend. This is the first one. It's weak. Unfortunately, most of the moisture with this front is going to outrun the storm system, and we're going to see just a couple of residual showers. Matter of fact, all day today we are dry as we wait for that front to slide down the state. This is early on Saturday. This is why we're going to start our weekend with mostly cloudy skies, a couple of showers. We'll see the sunshine return late in the day Saturday, and then by Sunday we're looking really good here, sunny with temperatures in the mid-80s. And as we focus on today, as I mentioned, just a few passing clouds and dry. Overnight though, a couple of showers. Notice the computer model not real impressed, and then by tomorrow afternoon most of the rain inland and eventually over towards the East Coast. If you like cooler weather, we finally got a little bit coming back to Southwest Florida as we have been waiting for this stubborn weather pattern to change, and we finally got a dip in the jet stream here coming up for the middle parts of next week. It's going to bring a cold front through. It's also going to bring us a much needed chance of rain Monday into Tuesday. So as we look at our temperatures here, there's the change. 73 Tuesday, 74 on Wednesday. Some locations could see upper 40s there overnight Tuesday into the middle parts of next week.